Good evening. We just arrived here at the... How you read this, Kelly? Hoi Fai Road Park. This is at the Olympic Station. And as you can see, ang ganda niya, ayan. Children's playground. So, yes. Here we go. And alright, take care. Okay, it's just going to play. Medyo ano pa, maliwanag pa here. As you can see, maraming kids naglalaro. This is the playground. So, let's try to. Oh wow. So let's try this one. So, Kinchana. Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my god. Oh, diba? Tapos may hole pa dito sa gitna. Oh, ang ganda. Yan, pwede mag-climb yung mga kids dyan. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ito, sand pit area. Alright. Goodbye.